an activity on the topic what causes earthquake. When we see the globe, we see continent and ocean, but the globe cannot show what is inside the earth. But what we cannot see is the crust which covers whole earth. Underneath the crust there is a warmer layer called as the mantle, and under the mantle there is a hot inner core at the center. Now let's take a closer look. Inside the earth, the crust is broken into plates or pieces which also moves. Now let us know what happens when the plates move. Mantle is hot and it moves. The crust sits on top of the mantle in pieces. As mantle moves, the crust also moves. And continent and ocean are sitting on top of the crust. Those plates are moving. When they move apart, mantle forms a new crust. This is how it happens. It is moving apart, and in this part, mantle will form a crust. Now let's see what happens to the plate when they slide past each other. Now when we slide past the plate, the ride is not smooth ride, it is a bumpy ride. As it is bumpy, it creates an earthquake. So we know what happens when plates move apart, when they slide past each other, and when they bump in each other. Now what happens when one plate collide with each other? When it collides, one plate go inside and other stays on the top. So this plate which is inside melts because of the mantle. What happens when plates move and continent is at the top? As the plates move and collide, continent also collides. In this way. This is a way how the earthquake will happen when the plates are moving.